Hello everyone, Leigh Goldstein here. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. All times are Eastern Time. The first event we'll be looking at is Chinese Caixin services at 8:45 p.m. Sunday evening. No trade room, we'll just be watching that report. We're starting in the trade room Monday morning at 6:15 for Caterpillar's earnings and McDonald's earnings. Then we'll be back in the room at 9:30 for two events, Final Services and ISM Services. ISM Services is the main event on Monday. And at 10:45 p.m. we have a second main event, the Australia Rate Statement. Tuesday at 3:45 p.m. we have three events. We'll be in the room for Snap's earnings, the API crude oil report, and New Zealand's employment report. Wednesday, 8:30 in the morning, we're not in the room, but we'll be keeping an eye on U.S. trade balance and Canada's trade balance to see if they move the markets. We'll be in the room Wednesday at 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories report and 12:30 p.m. for the 10-year note auction, and then 3:30 p.m. for Disney's earnings. No trade room for the Chinese CPI PPI report. We'll just keep an eye on that. Thursday at 8 in the morning, we'll be in the room for unemployment claims, back at 10 a.m. for natural gas storage, and then our stream of the week on YouTube, and a family money trade, 11:30 a.m. Thursday, the WASD report, and then we'll be back for the 30-year bond auction at 12:30. WASD is 11:30 a.m. Friday at 6 in the morning, we're not getting up for PepsiCo's earnings. It just hasn't tested well enough, but we'll keep an eye on it. And our final event of a reasonably quiet week will be the Canada Employment Report. That's at 8 a.m. Don't forget, we've had some really good trading this past week. There is a link on this document. You could try out our new service right down here. GoTrade2024.com, www, of course. And I will see everybody in the trade room next week. Looking forward to it. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Leigh Goldstein signing out.